All right.
My brother.
This lovely morning.
I saw why. Hello,
This lovely morning in Edo Central local government area of Edo State, Ewu to be precise. I just dey waka for street. Now I see this Obiaba wey just do one kind innovation wey e catch my attention. So see the man jeep. If you take note now, not be machine engine you use for this one now.
Yeah.
Now you take dey move am. Okay, Moisa, what be your name?
Good morning. My name is Oseni Kadiri.
Hussaini Kadiri.
Yeah.
How you take do this thing? This your jeep?
Now through inspiration.
Inspiration.
Yeah.
Okay. How did it take the work?
They work perfectly now. They work
Okay.
perfectly.
You fit start am for me. Okay, no problem. Make I first video everything first. Before I say make you move on. What you don't take carry load?
Yes, so now for a truck now.
For Nigeria get talent to even for ace and land, they still get talent to see the truck wey e make with motorcycle engine. See the engine. So if person give you work now, you fit dey make plenty of this kind one.
Exactly.
Like how much this one fit cost?
Just 900,000.
900,000. E not too much.
It's not too much.
Talk money wey go wey people go fit wey people go fit afford though, because now we are trying to look at supporting made in Nigeria goods. But no wahala sha, no say as fuel don even increase now, many things don increase for market. Na wetin we go look into later sha. So I go like make you start am, make you move, make people see am.
Battery run down, I have to use a manual kick now.
Okay,
This
battery
manual
run
kick,
down.
battery
Okay.
run down.
Boy.
What do you mean? You pause and press it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, kick. Keep going.
Wait, make I join now. Shift inside. Wow,
Thank you, sir.
this is very nice. I just enjoyed my first ride this morning. So you say you be welder?
I be welder, yeah.
You be welder?
Exactly.
How many months it take you to do this thing?
Just 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
3 weeks. That's good. So what do you need now from government or anybody who go want support you?
Empowerment. Financial assistance.
Financial assistance. Okay, no problem. I go post am online so that whoever want help you go contact me. I will let you know.
Okay, sir.
All right. Take care now. What's your name again?
Hosseini Kadiri.
Hosseini Kadiri.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.